Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Big Mountain Band reunites after being apart for 10 years. They've released the new single, Deportation Nation, in support of immigrants. From the reggae band that brought the world "Ooh Baby I Love Your Way" comes an unapologetic condemnation of racism against immigrants through this latest single. Deportation Nation is a dark and fierce roots reggae single looking at the issues surrounding the US-Mexico borderlands. The band rebukes the Trump administration's immigration and border enforcement policy and a broader history of border militarization. Much like UB40, American reggae band Big Mountain brought a very commercialized version of Jamaican music to the American mainstream when their cover of Peter Frampton's "Baby I Love Your Way" reached the top 10 in early 1994. "Ooh Baby I Love Your Way" has proven to be one of the most successful reggae releases in history, currently exceeding 3 million streams per month on Spotify and keeping Big Mountain Band busy touring the world year-round. Mozambique artist Ras Trim launches his latest album right here in Jamaica. Ras Trim's Go and Tell the World reggae album is a mix of conscious music littered with social and political commentary. The African artist also gave fans some dancehall and lovers rock. The 12-track album sees a collaboration with Jabari, Miller's son, on the lead single It's Not For Long and the sweet sound of saxophonist Dean Fraser. Ras Trim's Go and Tell the World was recorded right here in Jamaica at Anchor Studios with live music from Firehouse Crew and is distributed by VPAL Music. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime, but remember to watch Miss Universe Jamaica Emily Madison at the Grand Coronation this Sunday. It will be live on RETV with delayed broadcast right here on TVJ. I'm Daedran. Have a nice weekend.